So at Fabas, Mönchengladbach in Germany, we have a BMW Alpina B5 BiTurbo Touring in Sophisto Grau, German. Sophisto Grey Pearl effect, or brilliant effect, sorry. It's a facelift, as you can see. Seems like it has high performance Alpina brakes. Love that you see the Alpina lettering on the center of the disc as well. And this one has silver Alpina stripes. The other B5 had black Alpina stripes, which is really rare. That's a cost option with the black Alpina stripes. This is a no cost option with the silver ones. Facelift LCI. And this is a 322 km/h top speed, 201, 202 miles per hour top speed, BMW 5 Series Touring. Incredible. See the lettering looks like it's grey as well, color coded. Facelifted rear light is so sharp. The B5 BiTurbo sedan does 330 km/h and 3.4 seconds 0 to 100. The Touring does in 3.6 seconds 0 to 100. Is it 285mm rear wheel, Pirelli P0? There we can spot Alpina D3S, the diesel version. These wheels and rims is a work of art. Kind of like that it has the shadow line, I believe, no chrome on the side, but the kidneys are not black. I kind of like that. And the LCI facelift just makes the 5 Series look so stunning. As somebody said, this is really peak BMW Touring, peak Alpina also. I mean, what a family car this is. I just want to drive down and grab one. Laser lights, of course. And this is in 4K 60p, of course. Sophisto Grey, that kind of looked even more discreetly than the dark blue B5 next to it. Love it with the Alpina logo, that looked stunning when it came out. Blue instrument cluster, and you have the Alpina Lavellina leather steering wheel. You see really how thick and nice that leather is on the steering wheel. Alpina roundels on all the 4 headrests. What a perfect family car. Alpina illuminated entrance plates, Alpina roundels on the floor mats. What a stunning car. You almost can see the different kind of leather on the steering wheel here is. And around it's gorgeous Lavellina leather. And have a numbered plaque here maybe, yes. Number 611. It's a lot of P5s, wow. Gorgeous with the Alpina roundels. Piano black with a little Alpina roundel there in silver looks great. It's a very, very discreet combination for a 322 km/h car. (800 Newton meters between 2,000 and 5,000 RPMs. Has like a lot of torque. So I'm gonna let you enjoy the car.